Hey everybody! So today I would like to show you my one product styling routine. The reason I'm doing this is because I just feel like a lot of people are overwhelmed with multiple styling products, whether it's a leave-in, cream, gel. So I decided to do this video and I will be showing you guys my routine using just one styling product, and it's the Rizos Curls Defining Cream. This is like my third bottle. I wish they would make bigger bottles. All their products are amazing, works well with my hair. I've been using it for maybe a year now. So yeah, let's get to it. Before I start styling my hair, I already shampooed and conditioned with Rizos Curls, a shampoo and deep conditioner. This is like my fourth as well, fourth bottle. So my hair is already out of the shower, dripping wet. I'm gonna part it. Just gonna separate my hair into two and add some cream. I love this because the smell is not overpowering. It smells very fresh. It has shea butter. So I'm gonna put some on the other side. As you can see, it's almost done. I'm gonna start separating my hair so I can do smaller sections and brush it. I'm gonna try styling my hair without a mirror, just the camera. This is the first time I've ever done that. I just was super lazy to get the mirror out. You add water whenever you feel like it's frizzy or starting to get damp. I like applying my products when it's extremely wet. I always get the results I like that. This time I'm styling with a different brush. I'm using the Be Hairful brush. I've been using it for a few weeks now. I still use the Dum brush, but I'm just trying to see the difference. I will for sure do a video on that, the comparison between these two. I'm done styling. It's quick as that, using one styling product. I will be right back. I'm just gonna air dry for a bit and then diffuse and show you guys the end result. So this is my one styler hair routine using Rizos Curls Defining Cream. It gave me great results as always. My curls feel great. My hair is feeling moisturized, soft, great definition. My hair is still not dry 100%. It's 90%, but it will get bigger. And it was super quick, one product only. If you guys feel overwhelmed with having multiple products and you're that kind of person that wants something quick and with great results, you should try this out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you tried it, please let me know. I would love to see your results. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to my channel.